The belt drives your vacuum's brush roller. It wraps around the brush roller and attaches to the drive shaft on the motor. Over time, the belt will stretch, harden, or crack. When this happens, the motor will run, but the brush roll won't rotate. If the belt becomes stretched, the brush roller might rotate sometimes, but stall when the vacuum is used on longer or thicker carpet. Replacing the belt is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the roller cover from the underside of the vacuum. To remove it, I pull on the metal tab. Now I'll remove the motor shaft cap. I'll use a screwdriver to pry it away from the housing. Now I'll remove the belt from the motor shaft. The easy way to do this is to turn the roller backwards. Then the belt will pull itself off the shaft. With the belt removed from the motor shaft, now I can pull the roller assembly away from the vacuum. Now I can install the new belt. I'll remove the belt from the brush roll and slide the new belt on. You'll notice on the brush roll there's an arrow stamped into it. The arrow on the roller should be pointing to the right side of the vacuum. Now I can install this assembly back into the vac. I align the bearings with the holders in the vacuum housing. Now I can reinstall the belt. As I do that, I need to twist the belt onto the shaft. You'll notice on the cover that there's a diagram showing the direction that the belt should be twisted. To install the belt, I'll place a screwdriver through the belt so I can pull it tight around the motor shaft. As I do this, I'll twist the belt onto the shaft towards the left side of the vacuum. If the belt's twisted the wrong direction, it'll fall off when you turn on the vacuum. Now I can reinstall the motor shaft cover, and I'll finish up by reinstalling the brush roll cover. And that's all it takes to install a new belt in your vacuum. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.